Until now.
Matt, what do you got?
Looks like it's Helen!
Return signal! Open the gate!
Close the gates! Mac, keep a lookout.
Helen!
Say, come help me.
Bring it in! It is good to see you alive. Where have you been?
Feast your eyes on this.
This is pure dirt.
I know.
How'd you come by it?
I've been to dry land.
Dry land is a myth.
No, it's not a myth. I've been there. It's our salvation! We can all start new lives on dry land, but we have to hurry. The deacon and his smokers are after me.
Smokers in the distance!
Battle stations! Helen, get to that tower! Hurry! You got a seaplane? Nico, I need you to get up there and lock down that gate. They have a seaplane! Mountain, I lost him. Where is he?
Incoming from the south!
Take cover!
Reach in the wall!
He's got a gun!
He's going for the gate!
Nico, get out of there! Oh, no.
Stay down! I got the girl! Outside! Hey! Where do you think you're going?
Hi, I'm Tiger Woods. Who's got the golf ball? Hold that thing up nice and high. Way in the back, they've got my golf ball. No, it's okay. We might actually need these people. Bag this. Thank you. Brothers and sisters!
Yeah, hey, Deacon! You hear that? We are not your brothers and sisters! Am I right?
shut him up. Well, you'll never shut us up. Shut up. Where was I? Hey, yes, children, you poor lost souls on this big floating pile of sheet metal. The provider has spoken, and he tells me personally that somebody here knows the way to dry land. Dry land, you're going to pay them, drive it, tax it, and tithe it. Sweet job, Bob, will use it, cruise it, fill it, drill it, and build an 18-hole monument to my beloved self.
You'll never find dry land, Deacon. I won't let you. And neither will the mariner.
The mariner? Chuck! You want to shut the gate? You talking about your boyfriend? Your half man, half fish boyfriend, the guy that poked out my eye?
Oh yeah, look at what he did to him! Look! He can't see!
Oh.
Bring me the girl! Better be here, please. Hey. So, you know what? That church doesn't really work for me. You like games, Helen? No? Well, I do. We're gonna play. Keep an eye on her from you, will you? Guys, what have you got up there?
He's got a atoll!
Boy.
And he's got dirt!
He's got dirt. Well, I need to know the way to dry land.
Good luck!
So the game is called The First One That Talks Lives.
Leave him alone. He doesn't know anything.
Well, great. That makes you the winner.
Helen, don't tell him anything!
Oh, and this guy, he's a loser. Drop him!
No. No!
Helen, you're gonna tell me where dry land is, or you will be next.
Jet gear approaching at high speed!
Hold that thought. Shoot him, Chuck!
He's gone!
What does that mean?
Gone! I'm in the water!
That'll be the mariner. The mariner's under the water. Somebody shoot him! This guy, this guy. Helen! Did I see anybody get leave before this party was over? Did I? Oh! So where were you? Well, that's right. Get up that ladder and get that girl for me. I need that girl. Come on, Ricky. Where are you going, Ricky? I know the mariner's trying to be here. I can see him, and I've got one lousy eye. There's always time for that. Vernon! Listen to me now. When I say take this guy's head off, I need you to take his head off. Vernon, take this guy's head off. Yeah.
Whoa.
We've got guns. He's got water, and he's kicking our butts. Stop playing with her! Yikes. Who trained that guy?
Put it off!
Want to get her in and find out what's wrong with this? The girl is getting away! A mutant. Let's fillet him. Chuck.
my plans for dry land, you gill-necked freak! That's all you are, is a freak! Guy is a freak in a jet ski. Hey, he sprayed me again. Give me a weapon, Chuck! Hey! That looked very painful from where I was standing. Welcome to the party. Come on, fish boy, let's go. Me and you, man against fish. Come and go.
No! Hey! You got something in your face. You got something on your... Mariner! I think we got him.
You got something on your back. Why is he still alive, Chuck? Want him dead. Get that skyboat back in here. Have him blast everything to Kingdom Come. I'll take care of the freak. What is wrong with this? Shut up, Chuck! Jack, Ricky! Sorry, Ricky, that was my bad. I need something bigger. Like this. Ask and you shall receive. Hey, fish boy! Look what I found. Big Bertha. Do me a favor up there and stand in one spot. Woo! You're gonna use Chuck as a shield? I never liked Chuck.
No! Mariner!
Yes! Thank you. Get up. Come on, we gotta go. Somebody signal my plane. Somebody. How do you like that, Helen? I think all the women are dead. Your boyfriend is dead too, in case you missed that part. Climb the ladder, please. Thank you. I got a brand new vision. Pilgrimage for two to dry land. That'll be me and you, Helen. Just think of it, you and I, savoring the sweet flavor of dry land. Wow. Stand on! Yes! I, Deacon of WaterWorld, celebrate the birth of a new nation. Dry land is my destiny!
Hey, Deacon!
Hey, what?
Oh.
You! I'm taking you with me!
Okay, open the gates.
civilization may start anew on dry land, while the mariner roams the 4 points of the compass on the endless seas of the world. Ladies and gentlemen, the cast of WaterWorld.
Thank you! Ladies and gentlemen, from the Forever Purge, Richie Fiorello. From Shark Week, Kurt Neumeyer. From Get the Girl, Gary Hancock. From High School Musical, Yo Keelis. From Perry Mason, Matt Quinn. From that incredible 45 for Fire Dive from SEAL Team, Nico Stavropoulos. In the boat from the flight attendant, Melissa Milicano. And our very own aerospace engineer, Travis Lauder. From 911, my name is Greg Dahl. Thanks a lot. Enjoy the rest of your day at Universal Studios Hollywood.
Ladies and gentlemen, we're pleased you enjoyed WaterWorld. In order to prepare